Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Rubyoung R830. Now you can pick this one up from Rubyoung.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is originally $700. Now check this out. Let me give y'all a full story. Now Rubyoung hit me up and asked me did I want to check out this speaker, and I said of course. I'm a speakerologist. This is what I do. Send me the link. So I took it over to the website and I fell in love immediately. First of all, look at this speaker. It's wrapped in leather, premium materials. It has that retro look, and you can customize the front panel. So you see she got the little baby right there, got the baby's feet on the speaker. This is so dope. Then I scrolled over to the price and I seen $700. So I reached out to Rubyoung and I said, look, I know my subscribers, they're just like me. We want savings. Can y'all hook me up with a discount code? And shout out to Rubyoung. They didn't just give me a regular 10% off, 20% off, 25% off, 50%. I repeat, 50%. So that means you could get this amazing retro-looking hi-fi speaker for $350. Who's your favorite YouTuber? Now, if it's me, leave it in the comments. If it's not me, I don't care. All jokes aside, shout out to Rubyoung. This is a great deal right here. Okay? Look at this speaker. You can customize the front panel and get whatever you want on it. Let's go through the specs real quick. Now, this particular model comes in two different colors. You got red and black. You got Bluetooth version 5.1. The distortion rate is under 0.0002%. So that's basically distortion-free music. Now, you got two 1-inch tweeters and two 5-inch woofers. The max power is 240 watts. Now you got three different sound modes: outdoor, hi-fi, and ambient. Now you can play music using Bluetooth, using a 3.5 auxiliary input, or an optical input. Now the speaker is wrapped in leather and made from premium materials. And one of my favorite features is the removable, customizable front panel. This is sick. All right, so let's unbox it and see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. And speaking of white shoes, okay, if you've seen the thumbnail, you already know which panel I got. But it does come with one. Okay, so let's check out the one that it comes with. Now, this is the one from the picture. Okay, this kind of looks like some abstract art. But in the distance, it reminds me of the desert in Vegas at night. Now, you look at it and think to yourself, what does it remind you of? But it's just abstract art. And again, one of my favorite colors, red. Now, before I show you the speaker, I got to show you my customizable front panels. Okay, so I got another one. Let's check this one out. Now, keep in mind, this is the perfect gift. I always tell y'all, shop smarter, not harder. Okay, I like to get gifts for the holidays before the holidays. Okay, don't wait till the last minute and then you broke around Christmas. Start buying your gifts now. And this is a perfect gift. If somebody just got married, you can get the wedding photo. Okay, if you love yourself, get a picture of yourself. Get a picture of your kids, like how she did on the website. You just saved up money for your favorite car, get that picture. Or if you like me and you got that special pet in your life and you want to immortalize, what better way to do it? Now here's another panel I got. This would be a nice gift idea if you know somebody from a foreign country and you want to get their flag on a little balloon, something like this. Now this, I believe, is the flag of Turkey. Okay, so one of my dudes that live in Turkey, I could buy them this speaker, drop this panel on the front. And again, with this retro look and that build quality, this is kind of like modern day furniture. Okay, this is not just a speaker, this is home decor. Okay, that's another panel right there. But look, let me show you the panel right here that kind of touched my heart. White Shoes. Now, y'all know, if y'all watch my video, Shoes is always laying on the table, upside down, looking at me with those piercing, beautiful eyes. Now, whenever I play the White Shoes theme song, I'm going to have Shoes looking at me like this. This picture just touches my heart. And to be able to immortalize this on a nice speaker like this, I love it. I love it. All right, so let me grab a little unboxing knife and let's pop this open. Okay, so I did the unboxing off camera, but I just want to take a second and mention the unboxing experience was lovely. Now, y'all know I'm all about presentation. You spending this kind of money, you want a great presentation. This one delivered. Now inside, you get your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them or read them, your choice. And you get your plug. Okay? Now here's the speaker. Now I purposely left this part on. Comes in this little Velcro. Okay, let's go ahead and take this off. Now y'all know my favorite color is red. This is that red. Look at this speaker. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Look at this. Ladies and gentlemen. This is so dope. Now the whole speaker is wrapped in leather. Look at the detail. Look at the stitching. Okay, you see the stitching on that leather? Let's go through the front real quick. Now here's your 3 different modes. Okay, so you got outdoor, hi-fi, and ambient. You got your Bluetooth pairing. And look how retro everything looks. This is an actual button. You got auxiliary, Bluetooth, and optical. Here's your power button. And you got an actual volume knob. Here's your 2 tweeters, 2 woofers. Okay, on the top, you got this nice leather handle. Look at the stitching on the leather. Okay, let's check out the side. Now on one side, all leather, okay? On the back, look at this. Okay, on the back, you do have some ports. Let's go ahead and zoom in real quick. Okay, so this is gonna be your analog out. You got 3.5 auxiliary in and optical. So you can plug this right into your TV. You got a power on and off switch. Here's your AC input. Okay, now let's see on the bottom. Let me zoom back out. On the bottom, 4 rubber stoppers. That's gonna keep it in place. Let's see the left side. Same thing, all leather. Okay, so this speaker is all leather, all beautiful. So dope. Now let me drop on one of these front panels. Let's see how this looks. Now the good thing about this speaker is you can use it with or without the front panel. So let's go ahead and pop this on. Let's see. That just slaps on, let's see. Okay, yeah, just slides on just like that. Look how that looks. Pretty epic. And I like how you have the little pull tab right here, so when you want to take it off, bang. So if you want to watch your woofers jump, do it like that. Let's try the balloon. Okay. Notice how you can change the front panel to match the decor of your house. So you can order a bunch of front panels. Okay. And I just got a good idea too. My mom's recently passed away. I think I'm gonna get a nice picture of my mom's also. This is nice. Okay. But y'all know, we got the white shoes. Let's put her upside down. Okay. Let's let her stare into our souls like she always does. The white shoes on the front. Let that sink in for a minute. All right, so let me grab a phone and pair this up, and then we'll do a little sound test. All right, so before we do the little sound test, let me make one little correction. Now, I know some of y'all probably been getting triggered this whole video. I don't know why I keep saying Rubyoung. When I went to pair up my Bluetooth option, I finally read it in plain text, R-U-B, Rubyoung. So it's probably Rubyoung or Rubyoung. I don't know why I keep saying Rubyoung. I'm sorry, Rubyoung. We got the Rubyoung R830. Okay, so I'm gonna say the name right for the rest of this video. All right, so let's play some music. Now I'm gonna start off with hi-fi mode at max volume. Now make sure you put your headphones on. Okay, now I'm back here smiling. I was wondering, how would this speaker sound at $700? This speaker sounds dope. Now it's way louder than it looks. I got it on hi-fi mode. Now this time I'm gonna restart the music, and while the music is playing, I'm gonna switch between outdoor, hi-fi, and ambient. And if you notice, do you see those woofers bouncing like that? This is crazy. All right, here we go. Run it back from the top. This is outdoor mode. Go back to hi-fi. Okay, I think hi-fi sounds the best, but I'm sitting right in front of the speaker. This sounds incredible for $350, ladies and gentlemen. This is so much win. Let's try another song. Let's see what else I got. Let's do one of my classics. You see those woofers? Let's turn it down a little. Oh, this sounds perfect. All right, I like ambient mode too. Let's do outdoor but low. Nice and clean. All right, if you want max volume. Okay, now of course, it wouldn't be a sound test without the official Flossy Carter sound test by my homeboy Mark Rubyoung. Let's rock that one real quick.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. Sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, holla.
Let's try ambient.
How's the sound, white shoes? How's the sound on it?
I like hi-fi.
That's a sound test.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Rubyoung on the Rubyoung speaker. All right, this is dope. Now I got one more sound test I want to do, and I'm going to drop the front plate on. Let's see how it goes. Now, this is a song made by one of my close friends, Rob Brown, a.k.a. Rob Beatdown Brown. Okay, this is the sound check for Floss. Here we go.
Sound check for Floss. Sound check, Floss. Sound check for Floss. Sound check for Floss. Sound check for Floss. Sound check for Floss. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Floss. Sound check. Sound check. Floss. Sound check. Floss.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rob Brown. Now, on the side note, I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but the bass had this front plate shaking. Hold up. It went to the baby crying. We don't want to hear that. The bass had this front plate shaking, okay? I love the sound of the speaker. I love the look, the build quality, and the customization. This is so much win right here. Let me rate this right now. On a scale of 1 to 10, let me say it correctly. I'm giving the Rubyoung R830 a major go. Now, if I would have bought this speaker for $700, I would have felt like it was totally worth it. But at $350, let me stand up. At $350, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. Okay? The Rubyoung R830. This is a triple major go. Again, shop smarter, not harder. Use that discount code, Flossy Carter. I'll leave it up in the description. Get your gifts ready for the holiday season, or just decorate your house with your favorite picture. I love this one so much right now. Okay? And it's not just because of White Shoes looking at me. The build quality, man, this screams me. This is what I'm all about. The leather, the stitching, the retro buttons. Now, let me just talk about the sound quality real quick. The bass is thumping, zero distortion, okay? It just sounds clean and rich. I could totally see why they would charge $700 on this speaker. Totally. But at $350, that's even better. Okay? Y'all know my hashtag, Peasants Unite. Okay? We love savings over here at the Flossy Carter channel. And I'm bringing y'all some savings. Anyway, Rubyoung or Rubyoung, not Rubyoung, not what I said first, but the Rubyoung or Rubyoung R830 triple major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes, picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy now. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.